A new supply chain attack is targeting the n8n ecosystem, using fake community nodes to steal OAuth tokens. Hey everyone, Steven's avatar here. Let's break down what happened and how to protect your n8n environment. Threat actors uploaded 8 malicious npm packages posing as n8n integrations to steal OAuth credentials. These fake nodes trick users into connecting accounts, then exfiltrate OAuth credentials to attacker servers. 8 malicious packages were removed, but related packages remain online, and updates suggest the campaign is ongoing. Once installed, the malicious node behaves normally, showing real config screens and saving encrypted OAuth tokens. During workflow execution, it decrypts tokens using n8n's master key and sends them to a remote attacker server. This is the first known supply chain attack specifically designed to exploit trust in the n8n community ecosystem. Community nodes run with full access. They can read environment variables, access files, and send network traffic. There's no sandboxing. A single malicious node can view decrypted API keys and OAuth tokens as workflows execute. Attackers gain deep visibility into workflows, credentials, and connected services without triggering suspicion. n8n warns that untrusted community nodes can break workflows or execute harmful actions on your machine. Self-hosted users can disable community nodes entirely by setting n8n-community-packages in the score enabled to false. Audit all npm packages before installing, check authors, and prefer official n8n integrations whenever possible. This attack is still unfolding. Stay vigilant and protect your n8n environments, credentials, and connected services. You can find more details in the video description. And let me know in the comments if this attack has impacted your n8n workflows.